So Instagram posts are not going viral and your follower count aren't going up and your followers are not growing just because you are not doing this one thing. The Instagram algorithm has changed and you need to adapt to it by following the 3 simple steps I'll be teaching you. We all know we are in the era of AI and you need to start implementing AI as early as possible. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you 3 ways you can go viral with or without AI, and it works for all my social media accounts I'm been handling lately. So make sure you stick around to know the gist. So the first thing is I'm going to talk about an AI that lets you automate your Instagram DMs. It automatically replies your comments and send your followers specific DMs if you automate the AI with some specific names such as how interested. You might probably see them on your Instagram feed where most of these creators tells you to comment something and they'll send you a link within some minutes. And actually not done by them, it's done by third-party apps. And even when you are asleep, you can just control your comments, your DMs and everything with ease. So let's continue. So the name of the app is ManyChat. It allows you to connect your Instagram account directly to the ManyChat. Set up to 5 or more prompts of which anyone comment on your videos. They automatically send them a link or a prompt, and you need to set up everything by yourself in the automation app just by linking your Instagram to the automator, selecting the particular reel or video or story you want to automate, set up everything, and just with a click you can launch it and it will start generating requests or generating replies and DMs for your followers, and this helps you save the stress of replying to every single DM that comes your way, and it also makes your post go viral since people will be interacting more with your post on Instagram by commenting and you replying back to their comments. So let's get started. As you can see, this is a dashboard. You just need to log in with your Facebook account, and before that you need to connect your Facebook to your Instagram page so it will be easy for the app to track all your activities. So just come to automation. I just did my own convert Instagram comment into sales. So what I need to do is, if any user comment on my reel and the comment contains interested or how on that particular post, it will automatically reply or send them a DM. So let me show you how it looks on Instagram. This post I made. So I recently made a post about how you can make money on Jumia Force, and I just posted a 4-second reel on the app and I used the automation to do that, and it actually worked. So this is the post. You click on it, yeah. So anytime someone comments how, you see there will be an automatic reply from me. That's everything I set up in the automation app, and when you check their DMs, whatever I said or automated in the ManyChat app actually went to them direct. And this is a way you can make your posts go viral on Instagram and other stuffs. So the second part is that Instagram algorithm has really changed and you need to adapt to it. Posts with more watch time are likely to go viral more than long posts with low watch time. So what you need to do is make sure you create videos within 30 seconds to 15 seconds time code, and make sure you have a long description and do a call to action within your first 3 seconds. Either they should comment, either they should share, or they should do something that will keep comments and interactions coming. With that, you are increasing your watch time, which actually helps you go viral. And going viral means your account is getting exposed to new followers around your niche, and you're probably going to get new followers alongside. So make sure you implement this trick, and anytime you post, make sure you use minimum of 5 or 8 or 3 hashtags. Make sure you go to the advanced tab, you select the topics or the niche or the kind of followers interest you want your post to reach, and with that it helps you an algorithm to detect and push your content to potential followers or people who are actually interested in what you do. Yeah, so I think with this trick you'll be able to perform well, or you'll be able to make your new post go high or go viral on Instagram. Make sure you like, subscribe if you like, and leave us a comment. Yeah.